What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out the integral of 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared when x is changing from 0 to 1/2. First thing I'm going to use substitution method and have x equals to sine u. Then you can say arc sine x will be equal to u. So x equals to sine u. When you find out the derivative, dx will be cosine u du. Now we can do the substitution. It's going to be 1 over 1 minus sine squared u, because x is sine u. Dx is cosine u du. Now we know 1 minus sine squared u is going to be cosine squared u. Then squared and square root cancel out. It's going to be just cosine u. Then cosine u and cosine u cancel them each other. Then we have only du. And the integral of du is going to be just u. And u was arc sine x. And x is changing from 0 to 1/2. So it's going to be arc sine 1/2 minus arc sine 0. Arc sine 1/2, or the inverse of sine of 1/2, is going to be pi over 6 or 30 degrees, minus arc sine of 0 is going to be 0. So the answer is going to be pi over 6. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question.